Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. In today's video, you'll learn how to start a print-on-demand business from scratch. Print-on-demand is one of the easiest and lowest risk ways to launch an online business because you don't need to manage inventory or handle shipping. If you're an artist, designer, writer, or entrepreneur, this business model allows you to turn creative ideas into real, sellable products. Let's dive in. Now, what is print on demand? So, print on demand or POD is a business model where you sell custom designed products such as apparel and accessories without producing them in advance. When a customer places an order, the print on demand company takes off printing, packaging, and shipping the product directly to the buyer. So, this means you don't need to buy inventory upfront, print products yourself, or manage logistics. So, everything is handled for you. Even better, most print on demand platforms are free to use. So, you only pay for the product and shipping after you make a sale. So you can sell a wide variety of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, blankets, skateboards, curtains, laptops, and many more. The options are nearly limitless. Now, how can you start selling with print on demand? So once you understand how print on demand works, the next question is usually where to get started. One effective option is using ShopFunnels, a tool that lets you create a high converting e-commerce store in just a few clicks. With ShopFunnels, you can build an online store for almost any niche: fashion, beauty, electronics, pets, health, home decor, DIY products, and more. So it supports major payment gateways, popular CRMs, and autoresponders, and includes a drag and drop builder that requires no technical experience. So you also get access to ready-made templates, built-in email tools, customer dashboards, multiple funnels on one domain, strong security, and analytics, all without dealing with hosting or complex setup. Now, when to use print on demand? Print on demand is ideal in several situations. You can use it to test a new business idea without investing money in inventory. It's also great for launching a new product line for an existing business or monetizing an audience you've already built. So, if you're an artist or influencer who want to focus on creating rather than fulfilling orders, print on demand is a perfect fit. It also works well for targeting specific niches such as gaming communities, fitness enthusiasts, or hobby based audiences. Now, designing products without being a designer. You don't need to be a professional designer to succeed with print on demand. If you have a designer friend, that's a bonus, but if not, outsourcing is a great option. So you can find freelance designers on platforms like Behance or 99 Designs. The key is giving clear instructions. Explain who your target audience is, what design will be used for, and provide example or inspirations. So always communicate your expectations clearly, include at least one or two revisions in project scope, and over communicate rather than under communicate. So let designers know the artwork is for printing, so it meets the proper resolution and format requirements. So print files should typically be high resolution with transparent backgrounds and sized correctly for the product's print area. Avoid enlarging small images as this reduces quality. If needed, share the exact print specifications provided by your print on demand supplier. If you want to try designing yourself and don't have access to Photoshop, you can use our tool Pixie or you can use free tools like Pixlr. Now, print on demand is an excellent way to start an online business with minimal risk. It allows new entrepreneurs to test ideas quickly and scale without major upfront cost. If your product starts generating consistent sales, you can always move on to holding your own inventory later. Another important factor in building a successful print on demand business is marketing and product positioning. Even with great designs, your products won't sell if people don't see them. Focus on choosing a clear niche and crafting product descriptions that speak directly to that audience's interest, emotions, and problems. Use social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest to showcase your designs in real life scenarios and consider running small test ads to see which products get the best response. Email marketing is also powerful. Once someone shows interest in your brand, you can nurture that relationship and turn one time buyers into repeat customers. Consistent branding and storytelling can make a simple product feel premium and trustworthy. Customer experience also plays a huge role in long term success. Even though fulfillment is handled by your print on demand provider, your brand is what customers remember. Make sure your store looks professional, loads fast, and clearly communicates shipping times and return policies. Follow up with customers after purchase, ask for feedback, and encourage reviews. Positive reviews build trust and social proof, which directly impacts conversion rates. When customers feel confident buying from you, they're far more likely to return and recommend your brand to others. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.
Before we end this video, start your e-com store in 10 minutes flat. Create your own high-converting e-com store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere. With hundreds of ready-made plug-and-play templates. Easy to use, no-code e-com store builder. Dozens of payment gateways from around the world. Sell anywhere without restrictions. No profit sharing or charges per order. Create breathtaking sale pages for your products, powerful analytics inbuilt, and a lot more. ShopFunnels is all you need to set up your e-com store. So what are you waiting for? Get ShopFunnels now. Just go to getshopfunnels.in.